Welcome to Solitaire Park, Bagru, where the industry meets innovation. Located just 1.5 km from the National Highway, this state-of-the-art warehouse stands on the plots 98 and 99. Solitaire Park 1, offering an expansive 30,000 square feet of land. Designed with durability and efficiency in mind, it boasts a heavy-duty structure capable of handling extra wind load, featuring a unique 2-level mezzanine floor provision, crane provision, and smooth jointless FM2 jointless flooring for high load-bearing capacity. The warehouse is equipped with modern ventilation system, allowing natural light to flood. With a clear height of over 34 feet, the space is optimized for storage and operations, while the turbo vents ensure proper airflow. The roof, built with galvalume steel, is engineered to withstand the elements with rod cross bracing for added stability. This corner plot offers the perfect blend of convenience and functionality, with crane provisions, multiple docks, and advanced fire protection systems. Whether it's the fully equipped guard room, electrical room, or spacious staff quarters, every detail is designed for seamless daily operations. Its strategic location is ideal for logistics, with ample parking space and all the essential amenities. Solitaire Park's warehouse is more than just a facility. It's a hub for modern industrial activity, ready to elevate your business operations to the new heights. Whether for storage or industrial use, this modern facility is built to meet your every need, ensuring efficiency, safety, and convenience in every aspect. To know more, get in touch with us on 9884060932 or 98408 40932.